Hello all, welcome to PSR Brothers. This is Nitya here. Today it's going to be more of a party wear sarees, very pretty designs. It's going to be, the materials are going to be matka silk, chanderi. In that we are going to have tissue, we have mirror works, we have nice copper zaris, we have some rosewood color zaris also. Some different combinations we are going to see in this video. Before seeing the sarees, please do subscribe to our channel and click on the bell icon to get regular notifications. To purchase the saree, take a screenshot and send us to the number 938485129. I repeat, it's 938485129. Come on, let's start seeing the sarees now. This is a beautiful chanderi material, a lovely material and a perfect office wear or a small function wear saree. Both the sides we have a small piping border in a pretty design, and throughout the bottom part we have a beautiful stitched pattern. It's a cross stitch pattern, very pretty design which has been running along the bottom part of the saree, and throughout the body we have small designs on the body, a lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this. It's again in that embroidery pallu, very nice one, and the class part of the saree is a lovely printed blouse, and you have a beautiful embroidery which has been done in the blouse also. When you have a closer look, you can see the embroidery on that. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1460. We have some beautiful combination, the same pattern. I'll show you the next color. The next is going to be a very beautiful tomato pink. This is the body of the saree. In this you have a closer look of it. The bottom you have a beautiful small piping, and the embroidery is being done. It's a cross stitch pattern embroidery which has been done throughout the saree. This is the body of the saree, a nice design and a pretty design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a lovely pallu, rich pallu. And again, for all these sarees you have the beautiful contrast blouse in black, and a very pretty design. It's a kalamkari design blouse. In that very beautiful cross stitch embroidering is being done, and the price of the saree is 1460. The next is a beautiful green color, a very subtle and a neat colors these are. In this also you have a beautiful piping border, and in the bottom part you have a nice embroidery. This is the body of the saree, a nice design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a lovely pallu, and a contrast blouse again with cross stitch, with stitchings, with the nice embroideries. This is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1460. We have one more beautiful color, a very nice khaki color. The body of this is khaki color, a very pretty design, and this is it has a small piping border again with embroideries. This is the body of the saree, a beautiful design. And this is the pallu of the saree, a rich pallu. And again the blouse is going to be a very pretty combination. This is the blouse of the saree, very nice one, and the price of the saree is 1460. This nice kota tissue kota material, a lovely material, and a very flowy and a soft material also. Both the sides we have a kadizari border, and the pattern of the saree is very pretty. It's a kalamkari patchwork. This kalamkari design is completely a patchwork design which is being done along the bottom part of the saree. And actually it's a very different pattern. The design just keeps increasing with the size over the length. It's a very pretty one. It starts with a small one and then it goes to a bigger one. That's the pattern it goes. And the pallu of the saree has a lovely big patchwork, peacock pattern. This is the pallu of the saree. It's slightly a long pallu, and this is the blouse of the saree, and the price of the saree is 1680. We have some lovely combinations in this pattern. This is a light pink color. The next color is going to be a golden shade, a nice golden shade. The material is a kota silk material, tissue kota. If you see, the body will be like this. The body, you will have the kalamkari patchwork, and the inner part will be a plain one. That's how the design will go. And the pallu will be like this, a big patchwork, and a tissue pallu also. And the blouse will again be a running blouse with patchworks on the hand. This is a light grey color, same pattern. We have different colors in the same pattern. I'm showing the other colors. This is a grey one, lovely design. Again, this is the body of the sari will have a beautiful patchwork. It will look very classy and very different. These are all very unique pieces, designer pieces. This is how it will be, and the price of the sari is 1680. This is a light grey shade. The next is a green, light green. Since it's tissue kota, it will be slightly a transparent material, not too transparent. A lovely design. This will be the pallu, and a long pallu, and this will be the body of the sari. A lovely design, and the inner parts will be a plain one like this, and the price of the sari is 1680. It's a lovely soft jute silk material, a very flowy material. The flow is just awesome. You should just feel the material. It's really nice. Both the sides we have a small it's more of a kadizari border, a small border on both the sides. And on the bottom part of the sari we have a beautiful digital print which has been running along the sari, and we have embroidery, small embroideries throughout the sari. Throughout we have a beautiful embroidery which make the sari very classy. This is the body of the sari, and this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu. And we have a beautiful contrast blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1730. We have some lovely color combinations in this. This is a light greenish, light green or elaichi green. The next is a beautiful grey, a lovely grey. This is the body of the sari, a lovely design with a beautiful embroidery which make the sari very rich and grand. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu, a very pretty design. And the blouse will be, and the blouse of the sari is this, a beautiful floral pattern. This is the pallu of the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1730. In the same model, the next combination is going to be a light chocolate color, a pretty design. This is the body of the sari, a beautiful design, a lovely pattern with a nice embroidery, so elegant. And this is the blouse of, the pallu of the sari, a lovely design. And again we'll have a floral blouse for this sari also. The next shade in the same pattern is a beautiful elaichi green. This is the body of the sari, a nice design, a pretty one, a beautiful digital print along with it, very intricate small handwork embroideries. And this is the pallu of the sari, and I'll show you the blouse also. This is the blouse of the sari with nice print, and the price of the sari is 1730. This again a very soft material. It's a chanderi material again, but very soft and beautiful flowy material. Both the sides we have a nice kadizari border. The border is it's just weaved inside the design, like no inside the material, so it's not there, it's not predominant. And throughout the body we have a floral pattern, and inside that we have a beautiful embroidery with sequence work. With a closer look you can have a look of the design. You have embroidery which has been running along the sari. Inside the embroidery the sequence work has been stitched inside that. A very pretty pattern and a very lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a tissue pallu with tassels, and the blouse is in contrast tissue. And the price of the sari is, one second, price of the sari is 1970. We have some lovely color combinations in this pattern. The first which is a peach color. The next is going to be light yellow, slight mango yellow, very light color. A very pretty design, a beautiful pattern. I think you can have a closer look of the sari. You will be able to see the embroidery and the sequence work which has been done in the sari. To look classy when you wear these kind of saris, will be very a designer wear stuffs. This is the body of the sari, lovely design. And this is the pallu of the sari, a tissue pallu. And again a tissue blouse for this sari. This is the blouse of the sari, tissue blouse. And the price of the sari is 1970. The next color in this pattern is going to be a light green, a beautiful light green, a lovely green. A very pretty combination, lovely design. This is the body of the sari with beautiful floral pattern and a sequence embroidery work and a sequence work which has been done in the body. A beautiful pattern. And this is the pallu of the sari, a tissue pallu. And again the blouse will be a tissue blouse for this sari also. This is the blouse of the sari. So this is the body of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1970. The next color in the same is light orange, very light Fanta orange. Very pretty combination, a lovely pattern, lovely design. See, the embroideries might not be very clear in the video, we are not too sure, that's why we are trying to give you a more close-up look of these saris, so that you can see the embroidery and the beautiful sequence work which has been done in this. Those sequence work are completely embroidered with it. It's all hand woven one. Very pretty design, a lovely digital print on the sari also. Nice pattern, body of the sari. And this is the pallu of the sari, is again a tissue pallu. And again the blouse is a tissue blouse. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the sari is 1970. It's a beautiful mustard with a navy blue combination jute silk sari, a pretty design. Both the sides we have a contrast border, and throughout the body it's an embroidery pattern which has been running along the sari, which make the sari so rich, elegant, classy, whatnot. Beautiful design. It's completely embroidered. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu, a digital printed pallu. And this is a blouse, a contrast blouse for this sari. And the price of the sari is 1320. We have some beautiful color combination in the same pattern. I'll show you the other colors. The next is a nice green with a brown combination. A nice pattern, beautiful color combo. This is the body of the sari, a lovely color combination, green with brown. And this is the pallu of the sari, a beautiful pallu, a very pretty design, a very lovely neat sari. The next is a nice orange, a good Fanta orange with green color combination, a lovely Fanta with a green combo. Very elegant and beautiful combination, lovely embroidery, a very minute small embroidery which is being done along. And this is the pallu of the sari, a lovely pallu, and the blouse will be contrast green color. This is the blouse of the sari, and the price of the saree is 1320. The next is mango yellow with green combo. Again, beautiful color combination. What a wow color combination. Lovely design. Mango yellow with green, lovely design. And the pallu of the saree is this, a nice neat pallu. And the blouse of the saree is in this green color, a lovely pallu, blouse. And the price of the saree is 1320.